Stream alerts are a great way to make your OBS Studio stream more interactive by showing notifications when someone follows, subscribes, donates, or performs another action. First, open your preferred alert service and create or customize your alert box. Choose the notification types you want to display, such as followers, subscribers, donations, or other events. Once your alert box is ready, copy its browser source URL. Now open OBS Studio and select the scene where you want the alerts to appear. In the Sources section, click the plus icon and choose Browser. Give the source a name such as Stream Alerts, then paste the alert box URL into the URL field. Set an appropriate width and height for your alert area, then click OK. The browser source will now appear in your OBS scene. You can move and resize the alert box by dragging it around the preview. Place it somewhere that doesn't cover important gameplay, your webcam, or other content. To test the alerts, return to your alert service and use its test notification feature. OBS should display the alert on your scene. If the alert doesn't appear, check that the browser source URL is correct and that your internet connection is working. You can also refresh the browser source from its properties. Before going live, test every alert type you plan to use. Make sure the sound, animation, text, and timing all look and sound the way you want. And that's how you can add stream alerts in OBS